Alright guys, I had to get out in it. You know me. Had to go get the truck out and see how bad it actually was. I gotta tell you, it's pretty damn bad. This is the main drag right here, and you see how packed it is. I think we're up to, what is it, babe, 12 inches now? 12 inches. Forecasting it 15 possibly, and I think it's going to happen because it's going to do this all the way up to, you got one hung up right here. There, little cars. I couldn't tell you how many little cars we've seen like this one right here. He's going back and forth, back and forth. Is he going to the side when he gets out? No. So, anyway, I mean, we got a four-wheel drive, full-size truck. So, we're going to pick this up whenever we head on top of our small mountain that we live on. It's not actually a mountain, but it's highest elevation in the world. So, we'll pick this up when we get there. And again, this is a 4-lane highway right here. This is usually full of cars. They graded it real early this morning. Of course, that's already been snowed back over. You can zoom in if you want. But anyway, we're easing along. I'm 30 miles an hour right now. I've told my wife several times this slow and steady wins the race in this contest. We don't meet anybody.